LED.
The name of this model is derived from the term light emitting diode, and it is one of the most widely used types of diodes. In the simplest terms, a light emitting diode, LED, is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current is passed through it. Light is produced when the particles that carry the current, known as electrons and holes, combine together within the semiconductor material. LEDs emit light in the visible light range when connected to forward bias and current flows through them. Making indicator, display and lighting is one of the applications of LED.
To support me, subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Share my videos. Write me a comment. Thank you.